up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome to another Wales side-by-side video. Right, it's the following day and I'm back with my sister's Yaris. And I'm glad to report there is no brake fluid leak anymore after tightening that banjo bolt up. So, going to turn the car around now, reverse it into the workshop, and I'm going to pull the rear drums and have a look at the rear brakes. Because like I said, them have, to the best of my knowledge, never ever been pulled. And with 120,000 miles nearly on the car, I think it's time to do an inspection of the rear brakes and see what the rear brake linings are like. Being as this poor car, all it ever does is take abuse. Doesn't get maintained properly, but it's a little fighter and it still keeps going. Actually, I'm going to do a cold start on it because I've never done a cold start on this car. Look at that, instant. That is sweet. Handbrake light's gone out. Oh, that's sweet as a nut, that. Even when you abuse the bloody things, they still bloody start, they still run. They're just crazy, Toyotas are, of this era. They're so good. What more can be said? Absolutely brilliant. Right, rear brakes.